Hey, what's up, traders? Another watch list video here. This one for Thursday, February 20th. Showing you SPY, another narrow range on the day for the SPY, which I've been saying is pretty typical when you're kind of hanging out near all-time highs. You just get these narrow intraday ranges. A couple really nice calls in the chat room, though. For those of you that didn't make it today, Beyond Meat, BYND, Wayne called this second mouse, 125.50, right about there. Right when it broke that 125.50, half number inflection point plus the second mouse, both things we talk about all the time, right? And went to 129 from there, so a $3.50 move on about 30 cents risk. Great call by Wayne. He also called LK 41.50. It's right there. Just basically a high day break, right? Another kind of second mouse through the half number. You notice the theme there? Went up $1.68 a share from there. Again, on about 30 cents risk. Another great call by Wayne. Had some nice afternoon trades as well. CYCN and SNGX that I called, but not going to go into the details here. I'm going to get the video going. MYO, let's go to the daily. MYO had this gap up. Now, it's got a bizarre daily chart because it actually did this. It actually went all the way to 40 back here and then gave it all back. So usually when that happens, the stock has all kinds of trouble getting going at all, but it actually had some legs today. Opened at 665 and went all the way to 889 before settling in at 783. So definitely worth watching tomorrow. MRNS put in an inside day after the breakout, so maybe a third day play there. CLVS, nice volume today. Pretty strong close and pretty close to a breakout out of its recent last couple weeks range. NH, couple big spikes, one back here, and then another one here. And a fairly strong close. We'll see if we get a follow-through day this time. BLPH had a massive day yesterday, quiet inside day today. Well off of yesterday's highs, though, so I'm not in love with it. But, you know, as a day trader, I've got to keep that on my radar. Roku just goes back on bounce watch again. I'd like an afternoon breakout of a narrow range if I could pick any scenario. You can't see the 200-day on here, but it's around 123, pretty close to 123-ish, I think. So, plus it bounced off this area back here. So anywhere down in here on an intraday basis, this might give a nice turn tomorrow. We'll see, right? SNGX, nice breakout today. We'll see if we get a follow-through day tomorrow. VIVE, look at that volume, massive volume. But if you zoom in, closing well off its highs, but that's not enough to keep me from watching it tomorrow. Today it topped out at 209. So if maybe we bust through 2 again tomorrow, we know that 210, a break of today's high, would be another potential catalyst for a squeeze. So that's why that one's on watch. KAR, I'll pan out a little bit here. You kind of have this island down here. It looks like an attempted breakout about a week and a half ago. Gave it back, and then a pretty strong close today. We might have a follow-through day tomorrow on that one. BCLI, big move, then a red day, then a big move, and then another quiet red day. So maybe tomorrow this one rips again. And then HEPA closed out in after hours, still trading. It's at 550 right now in after hours, so not a big gap, but that might be a gap and go tomorrow. We'll keep our eyes on it. And then Stamp, STMP, in after hours is trading at 126.58, so all the way up here. Could have some shorts caught. I believe this was on earnings. And that's it. We'll add some gappers to this list as well as what we're watching here. Teamwork's been fantastic. Let's keep it going. We'll see you all in chat tomorrow.